Introducing the Starry Sky Projector with a touch of innovation, the Galaxy Projector. This mesmerizing device crafts vibrant, unpredictable nebulae, lifelike starlight galaxies, and gently twinkling stars to recreate the most serene under-the-stars experience. Controlled effortlessly via remote or buttons, it guarantees the most soothing night imaginable, featuring a distinctive astronaut design. The projector invites you to explore the expansive starry sky. The astronaut's head rotates 360 magnetically, projecting nebulae freely. Plus, the adjustable arm allows for customizable poses, doubling as a charming decoration for your space-themed dreams. Enjoy the convenience of remote control and a timer function, enabling color, brightness, and flashing frequency adjustments. Set a timer for a hassle-free experience, especially when using it as a night light for children. It turns off automatically when they drift into a peaceful sleep. Versatility is at its peak with the Astronaut Nebula Projector, serving as an adjustable night light, bedroom ambience enhancer, living room decor, car mood lighting, game room embellishment, small home theater strobe, study desk ornament, and computer desk accent. It's your all-in-one solution for creating an aesthetically pleasing atmosphere, a perfect gift for both kids and adults. These star projector night lights not only add charm, but also stimulate curiosity, imagination, and creativity. Whether crafting a magical night for children or creating a cozy ambience with your loved one, this projector is the ultimate stress reliever, ideal for gifting during holidays to lovers, children, family, and friends. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting content, friend.